Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Youssef from Autism Has Art. Today we will start a new series. It's a Castaway Low Poly project. In Castaway Low Poly project you will learn how to module an island, trees, rocks, clouds, decors, and we will also design a ship, water moving with physics. We will also design a low poly character. It's supposed to be Tom Hanks, but it will not look a Tom Hanks at all. Also, we will design the ball in the movie, which is Wilson. And if we have a time, we will design a fish. All of this will be low poly. I assume that you have some basic knowledge of Blender. If you don't, just visit blender.org. They have a nice training for basics there. And if you don't know what is low poly is, it's something for games. It's how to design your shape with the lowest number of edges, faces, and vertex. Something we refer it to low poly in Blender around something around this number. It's something like that. It have its own. It has its own design and theme, and if you see here, this is a low poly tree, supposed to be a tree, but this is how we design it in low poly, something like that. I will learn you how to design it. Also, I will learn you the basics of low poly, and you can do even better than me. We will start from the next week. Till that time, see you.